We're putting together the Clara pop-up card. It's Clara from the Nutcracker. You want to start by folding everything on the score lines. Flip it over, fold it down, fold it up, fold it down. Okay. I'm going to put my panels on. Now this card does have a few small pieces. They are pieces you can omit. It's Claire's hair bow and her ballet slippers. You could draw those on if you wanted, or the file will work fine without them. Okay, as soon as this is done, we're going to flip this over and then we'll be finished up with our base for a few minutes. It's the last panel. I'll flip it over. We're going to glue down these 1/4 inch spaces. I just want to make sure they stay down. Just hold them for a few seconds. Okay, and we can set that aside for a few minutes. I have already cut and put on some foam tape on the back of my snowflakes. And the first thing I'm going to do is just glue these two pieces together. This will make this a little bit sturdier. Okay. I'll go ahead and apply my snowflakes. I cut my snowflakes out of a holographic white paper. I don't know if you can see it on the video or not. Okay. Now, to put the tree together, I am going to ink the edges here a little. I'm using Jumbo Java. The bottom piece of the tree you cannot pop with a foam dot because it folds in between these pieces here, and if you have a foam dot in there, then your card will not properly close. But you can pop these other pieces if you'd like, and I think I'm going to. And then you just line this up here. And then just glue the star onto the top. Okay, now let's work on Clara. So I'm just going to slide these pieces off. Start with the gift boxes at the bottom. The big bow goes in the center. I'm just going to put glue there on the bottom part of the bow. Okay, now Clara. So the first layer of Clara you want to cut out in whatever skin tone you want her to have. The next piece that goes on is the nutcracker. If you would like, there is a piece of hand here. There's a piece that has a hand on it. And that is to make it look like she's grasping her hand. It's not necessary. You can eliminate this piece if you want. And if you use it, you want to put it on before you put her nightdress on. I'm going to hit this with a little bit of blue. Now all these layers help to make this piece very sturdy so that you don't have to worry about it flopping over. Next thing you want to do is put on her hair. And if you want to use it, her bow. And her shoes. And I'm going to put the glue onto Claire and not the shoes. There's Claire. Okay, and now it's just time to put the card together. So you want to fold that. You're making the card backwards, okay? So this piece goes in first, facing away from you. Just bring it all the way down and apply glue to this bottom tab. The next piece is the tree, which I also want to hit the edges with some blue. Oops. And that slides into the back slot. You want to push that all the way down. You're going to put glue just on this tab and fold this up and glue it to it. Make sure that sticks. It's very important to make sure you glue this top tab to the center piece as well. You'll see this is the mechanism that pulls the card up and down, which is why you have to glue this on. If you don't glue this, the top piece of the center will not lift, and you'll wonder why your card's not working correctly. On this opposite side, put glue on the two tabs. bring your card over and they meet up. You just want to apply enough pressure to get these to stick. Again, this is the mechanism that pulls the card up and down, so you want to make sure these two tabs are glued together well. Okay? Then to close it, make sure you put this tab over your snow globe, because you don't want to glue it to the snow globe or it won't go up and down. I'm going to glue this shut. And then you push up on the bottom, and there is your Clara pop-up card. Thank you.